working? Is it working? Yeah, Marcus body coding live. No Footwork every day, remember? You see, we do no excuses. Yes, also in. Where are we? What do you care? Let's do another footwork. Today, jump one. Are you ready? First, you see, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, now let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. I'll switch the cameras. Are you ready? Let's go. This is jump one. Are you ready? Let's go to the other side. We tap, we jump with the right leg. And now we do cross one with the left. Open, cross to the back and cross. Good. Now we tap with the right, jump with the left. Yeah. Open with the right. Open, cross to the back and cross. One more time. Let's go. Tap, jump with the right. Open with the left. Back cross, front cross. Yeah, with the right. Tap, jump, open, cross, cross. Once again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Great. Let's do it one more time. We tap, we jump with the right, we land on 3, and then we go 5, 6, 7. We tap with the right, jump with the left, land on 3, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, this is the move. Yes, this is the move. This is the groove. Yeah, but wait. You're still here. Amazing. Let's do another practice. Right now, face to face. I want to see you. Let's go. Remember, no excuses. Also here in the airport. Yeah, let's go. Face to face. Imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's adjust the camera. Yeah. And let's go face to face. Let's go. We tap. We jump with the right. Open with the left. Open, goes to the back, and goes. Again. We tap with the right. Jump with the left. Open, goes to the back, and goes. Once again. Tap, jump. Open, close, close. Tap. Close, close. Yeah. Tap and left. Open, close, close. Tap. Open, close, close.
May I have your attention, please? I would like to ask.
May I have your attention, please, guys and girls? I want to give you some tip. Let's go. When you jump, you can point at that at the top. Point. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, try it with me. Just a point. 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 Yeah. I'll do that. Point. Let's do it together. Let's go. Down. 5, 6, 7. Point. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. Yeah. 6, 7. Yeah. This is the move. This is the groove. Remember, no excuses. Wherever we are, we practice, we get better. So if you're a serious student and you want to practice this move with me in the studio for free, forever for free, check the link above to the sides below. Or if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel. Yeah, and search for this move. The name is Jump 1. Yeah, that's the name of the move. Yeah. Well, check the link, join me in the full tutorial, and let's get better together. Practicing, of course. Practice makes perfect? No. Make progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. Yeah. Well, by the way, do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow you have enough footwork no footwork every day in Marco's Booty Coding. And by the way, Marco's Booty Coding, we code universal moves. These kinds of moves that you can use them in any kind of dance. Universal moves, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, whatever style you want. Yeah, I'm serious. Do I look serious? Either way, let's meet tomorrow with a new footwork, wherever we will be.
May I have attention, please? This is final call. Final call for all guests traveling from
Yeah, final call. Let's go. See you tomorrow.
C22.